So if you are in the AI space or you start to get interested in the AI space, you probably notice that your feed is started to become full of either AI slop or AI hype. Now, what I want to do with this video is I want to explain this concept to you, and then I want to say what are the issues that are causing that and what you can do about it. By the way, if this is your first time here, I'm Ricardo. I'm the founder of Uplifted Consulting. We help company implement AI in sales and marketing stack. And in this channel, I document the different builds that I do, as well as the personal thoughts around AI in sales and marketing. I leave all these documents directly within the description, so you can read more and check out the resources. You will be added to my newsletter. I will not spam you. You will just receive a weekly email with practical ways to implement AI. With that said, let's get started. So I think it's important to define these key terms. So on one side, we have AI slop. So AI slop is low quality media generated by artificial intelligence. And now even in trading cards. So this is crazy to me. I went to a grocery store and I saw this Italian braid wrote trading cards. Like my mind was blown away by this kind of thing. Like I couldn't wrap my head around that. Whatever. And on the other side, so like that is the part of like all the different AI content that is generated, whether there is LinkedIn content that is generated, short form videos generated with AI, all sort of things like that. On the other side, we have AI hype, and AI hype is not actually super related to that, but it's related to the whole AI ecosystem. So I think there is a lot of exaggerated enthusiasm and attention towards different updates related to AI that seems like you are missing out on everything right now. So here I had another example of the AI agent builder. This is something that new that was released. Over here, they say about AI agent builder is insane just to get some views. What I want to do right now is I would like to show you the research that I did about the agent builder. And the thing that I can see over here is that the videos that say the raw reality, such as like Mark's video, that say that everyone is hyping this, but in reality, this is not good, are not getting any views. Meanwhile, the videos that are getting the most views, like 18K views, 59K views, are like this is a complete tutorial, are the videos that are hyping up the tool. Also, Brock over here, I mentioned that it sucks and it's not getting any views. So can you see the actual issue here? So it seems that all the different hyped up videos are getting the most views. The videos that are talking the raw reality of things, and by the way, I did the same thing by saying that the tool for me is bad, didn't get that much attention. I personally think that like the two terms combined, the AI slop and then the AI hype, are causing a lot of confusion, are causing a lot of awareness, are causing a lot of chaos around social media. And I think this does not apply to one single channel. As you can see over here, I'm involved in YouTube, I'm involved in LinkedIn, so I can see a lot of AI slop directly within LinkedIn, a lot of AI hype as well. And so that is where I see those the most. But this happens also in across a lot of other channels. The thing that I don't want to touch over here is the topic about AI slop in short form, because I think there's a whole another topic more related to sociological aspects and like reducing attention span. Social media is like this kind of evil channel. I don't want to touch that. I think that is not the topic of this video. So I think I want to stick to the business realm over here, because also in this channel we keep everything focused on practical use cases and how AI can be applied in the business space. One thing that I want to say over here is that there was a video.
Hey there,
That
guys.
was, as you can see over here, this was like very bad microphone quality recorded back in 2023, where I actually talk about these specific things over here, like and I somehow predicted this kind of thing, which is kind of cool. So if you want, I suggest you to have a look at this video and like have an understanding of that. And one of the key concepts that I mentioned in this video was the fact that the ease of content creation, or the fact that everyone can create content, leads to more content, which leads to more confusion, because around the space there's a lot of different contents that you can see, and you have to make a choice, because you cannot watch everything, you cannot consume everything. And so this for consumers becomes actual battle for attention. They have to proactively choose where their attention is going, or what happens is that your attention will go whenever you or wherever you want. You will just go on the feed, just scrolling, just looking at information over here. On the other side, for creators, for people just like me that are creating videos, for people that are applying AI in the content creation space, here there are choices that needs to be made. You can choose to either fully lean in AI generated content. So, like for example, for YouTube, like in this case, I could switch over my channel, and within my channel, I would just do AI generated content of like long form tutorial videos or something along those lines. And by the way, those are already present, and people didn't actually notice that. And so that is a crazy thing. Or what you can do is you can go the other way. You can go the raw way. You can go the messy way. As you can see over here, I'm not a native English speaker. I stumble myself sometimes. And this is actually what I think the future content for me is going to be, at least. Because, yeah, you can either choose either to be perfect or to be like polished or to be human. This is a very important thing that people have to choose as and brand have to choose. One thing also to keep in mind over here is that AI generated content for me does not equal AI slop. So we talk about AI slop as the fact of uh, pushing all your content and pushing as much content as possible that is low quality, that people can understand it's AI generated. And this is done if you don't know how to properly create content with AI. Because, like, on my side, I also use AI to create content. What I try to do is I try to use that as a brainstorming partner and less as a creative partner. But now I'm starting to do that less and less, now that we are going into this raw direction. And in the business context, more specifically, the use of AI generated content could be actually strategic over here. So the thing is, you can either choose, as I mentioned before, within your customer experience, within every part of your experience, you can choose: do I want to be clean? Do I want to give a experience that is clean, or do I want an experience to be human? So, like when I'm talking with a video over here and I'm stumbling myself, I'm talking with you. The experience that I want to give over here is you are talking directly with another human being. You are listening to my thoughts, not just some AI, very clear, very understandable tutorial about something along those lines. This is the same for business processes. So, for example, there are some instances where you want to use AI and you want to create a message that is AI, and maybe people don't even understand that is AI, which is like the best kind of messages. And you wanna you wanna do that for clean purposes. So an example over here, I created this video recently about how OpenAI handles 13,000 leads. And um, again, over here, OpenAI had to choose a balance. Do we respond to everyone, or do we respond to a personalized way to only a few select people? OpenAI here doesn't care to be human in this specific case. They have way more leads that they can handle. So the their choice would be to let's embed AI and let's do the best possible thing that we can do in order to use AI generated content in order to create content for that specific person and create a one-on-one personalized experience. Now, long story short, related to this, I think I talk about a lot about this. You have to choose. As a consumer, you have to choose where to direct your attention. As a business, you have to choose which part of your customer experience need AI, and where you want to have AI, and where you want to have a human. and when does it make sense to have a human? All those are like very important topics that can be discussed and that are depending on your specific situation. Now, my offers and updates. I offer AI transformation services for sales and marketing business, B2B firms doing more than 1 million per year in revenue. Engagement generally start at 10K. Right now, I'm limited availability, only taking 4 clients per month. If you're interested in that, just let me know. You can contact me directly with email. That's it on the video. Hope this was useful. Just a couple of thoughts on AI, Slop, and all these things that is going around in the space.